Alright, N2 Breakers. Found some old hobby boxes today. 2012 Topps. Found, got a 2013 Prism and a 2017 Playoff. Looking for, we're going to open up this one. This is a 2012 Topps Hobby, and we're looking for Russell Wilson's. So, I'm going to open up one of these. Still have one up there for sale. And wish me luck. This is 10 cards a pack, 36 packs a box. So you get one autograph or a relic per box. And I think you get a rookie card in every pack. So I have 36 chances to get a Russell Wilson. So let's see how we do. Alright, wish me luck. Pack number 1, Cam Newton. Alright, let's see. I gotta get my light better here. Alright. LT. Adrian Peterson. Grisham. Matty Ice. Congratulations, you've unlocked a Topps card. Garbage. Eric Weddle. And the rookie in this pack is Travis Benjamin. We'll get 2 rookies in this pack. Orson Charles and Stephon Gilmore. Gilmore's a good one. Stephon Gilmore for the Bills. No Russell Wilson in the first pack. There's some old stuff, huh? Jared Allen. Adrian Wilson. Forte. Suggs. Cedric Benson. And Houston. Greg Olson. Rookie Brian Quick. And Kendall Wright. So it looks like I'm going to get more than one rookie card in every pack. So if this holds true for the rest of this, looks like I'll be getting 72 rookies. So 72 chances to get, or yeah. Ryan Kerrigan. Hasselbeck. Gold, Stephen Ridley. That's out of 212. We got Percy Harvin, nonsense. Lamar Woodley, Darrelle Revis, Bernard Pierce, and Greg Childs. Not all that great. Stephen Ridley. Gold. That was only second pack. Felix Jones. This must be like a, oh, here's my hit. It's like an insert and Fouts. There's my hit, Marquise Colston. Memorabilia card. The Nice Ryan Tannehill rookie. Andre Branch. Tannehill. Take that. This guy's playing well. Ryan Tannehill. Still looking for a Russell. Good old Rusty. Centering on these ones look pretty well, so we got a chance. Grading. Jimmy Graham. Julio Jones. Bart Starr. Bart Starr. Career achievements. Put these inserts in a different pile here. Doug Baldwin. Like a mini type thing. Christian Ponder. Alright, we got Jordan White. He's our rookie in that one. There are a lot of cards in these packs. Von Miller, Rookie of the Year. Sano, Ray. Sidney Rice, AP. Mini. Elway and Plunkett. Alright, who's this? Riley Rife, Brandon Whedon, and Cliff Averill. Stuff's pretty good shape for being almost 10 years old. Pinky in there. Miles Austin, Austin Collie, LeGarrette Blount. There you go. Ooh, AP. AP pink. Pink, $3.99. Adrian Peterson. Cool card. Ryan Grant. Vince Curry. Bruce Irvin. And Super Bowl champs. Eli. Oh, there's a shop here close by that sometimes you go in and he's got some older stuff kicking around. He's got more he's got some other stuff, but this was the stuff that met the price point I was looking for. Some of the other stuff was just a little crazy, but he's got some nice stuff. Sanu. Mohamed Sanu. I don't know. Probably not any good anymore, but Stephon Gilmore is good. Yeah, just a local shop. He's got some pretty good stuff. He's got a lot of nice old stuff kicking around that hard to come by. And of course, he's had it on the shelf for that many years, you know. Mark Barron. Kirk Cousins rookie. Nick Toon. This is a good year, 2012. Kirk Cousins, Ryan Tannehill. Still not the Russell Wilson that we're looking for, but we're getting closer, I think. A lot of packs to go. Alright, brother. It's going to take me a while to open this sucker up, so Connor Barwin. Javid Best. That guy. Turner, Andrew Luck rookie. Michael Agnew. Andrew Luck. It's got an edge problem on it. Alright, next pack. Mini card in there sticking out. Fast Freddie Jackson. Ahmad Bradshaw. John Baldwin. Paramount Pairs, Vincent Jackson, Mike Williams. Jared Crick, Ronnie Hillman, rookies. That pack. Patrick Peterson. That is Sean McCoy. Dan Marino. Peyton Hillis, mini. Rookie David Wilson and Marvin McNutt. Marvin McNutt. Davis, Dunlap. Chargers, Scott Chandler. Giveaway. Andre Carter. George something. Shea McClellan. Still looking for the Russell. Still looking for Russell Wilson. Stephen Ridley. Hair Palomalu. Yeah, Frank Gore and Lamar Miller. Paramount Pairs. Andy Lee. Brandon Taylor. Chris Gibbons. Urlacher. Battle. Smith. Cassell. Anquan Bolden. Foster. Tommy Streeter and Chandler Jones. Mark Sanchez. Chandler Jones. Endicott, New York. Local boy. Baldwin Williams. Eli Manning. Throwback rookie card. Reprint. Kickoff. Garbage. Levante David and Lamar Miller. Levante David and Lamar Miller. Couple NFL guys. Where are you, Rusty? You want to make an appearance in here. Jordan Mayo. Bob Greasy. JPP. Selleck. We got Fletcher Cox. Chris Rainey and Doug Martin. Doug Martin. Fletcher Cox. Devery Henderson, Thomas Witten, Justin Blackman, Joe Thomas, offensive tackle. Oh, this guy, Colby Fleener. He didn't pan out. Lots of packs. Gotta be a Russell in one of these. Big set though. Drew Brees. Andrew Luck and John Elway. RG3. Yeah, RG3. It's a big one back in 2012. You wanted to get your RG3s. Cutler. Trent Cole. Giveaway. Eli everywhere. Who's this guy? Eric Grand. And Jarrell Robinson. Oh, we're about halfway. Still no Russell Wilson sighting. Dumerville. Alice Clark. Jay Stu. Montana. Reprint. Ray. Reese Claiborne. Dre Kirkpatrick. Good QB. Couple cornerbacks there. Pretty decent. J. Watt. Antonio Brown. Ray Marshall. Stafford. Jerron something. Aaron Corp. I don't think he made it very far. I'm a Bills fan and I do not remember that guy. DJ Raji. Wayne Bowe. DeMarco Murray. Dick Decker. Alshon Jeffrey. Alshon. You go get him, Alshon. Terrell Suggs. There's Charles Woodson. Rivers. Jim Kelly. Dez Bryant. Reggie Bush. Quentin Coples. Nice Melvin Ingram. Oh, that's the wrong Ingram. Perry. Pierre Garçon. Come on, where are you? So far, we've gotten a Kirk Cousins and a Ryan Tannehill. Moore. Casey Hayward. Tavon Wilson. And Brandon Boykin. Well, if I don't get one in this box, then someone's going to get lucky in the other one. Willis McGahee, numbered to 57. I liked him when he was with the Bills. Ballard. We got about 10 packs or so left. Megatron. John Elway. Reprint. Ryan Lindley. Brandon Thompson. Andrew Luck. Kirk Cousins and Ryan Tannehill. Not yet gotten a Russell Wilson. Tim Tebow on the back. Timmy. Dustin Keller. Rodgers, league MVP. Rodgers. Warfolk. Dez Bryant. Gronk. Gronk back when he was good. Blunt. Derek Wolfe. Yeah, nice T.Y. Hilton. Tim Tebow. T.Y. Hilton, rookie. Dexter McCluster. Hester, DeMarcus Ware. Jonathan Martin. Nick Foles, rookie. Robert Turbin. Nick Foles. Nick Foles. It's like I've gotten everybody but the guy I want to get so far. Ed Dixon. Big Ben. Kolb. Brandon Quick. Gold rookie. Brandon Quick. Holston. Cedric Benson. Markel Martin. The other rookie in that pack. 6 left. Gone through 30 packs. Warren Moon. Anquan Bolden. Rookie Janoris Jenkins. Keyshawn Martin. Janoris Jenkins. Ooh, Darren McFadden. He was pretty awesome. LaFell. Michael Vick. The Rams. Gold. Andrew Luck, RG3, Paramount Pairs. There he is! Finally! Woo! There he is. Pretty good looking card. Russell. Guy's gonna be MVP this year. Calling it now. Joe Adams. Well, found what I was looking for. Let's see what else is in these last packs. There's Steve Young, Chris Johnson, Mario Williams, Marvin Jones, and Alfonso Denard. Fifth to last pack. Russell makes an appearance. Had me worried, I ain't gonna lie. Bradshaw, Peyton, Michael Kendricks, and A.J. Jenkins. Oh, Chris, I hit the Russell Wilson, so good times are here again. Drew Brees. Dan Marino, rookie reprint. Bo David DeCastro, Devon Weiler, and Jake the Cutie, something. Last pack. Akers, Tony Romo, Aaron Rodgers, Joe Wacko Flacco, Andrew Luck, Plunkett, Ballard. This is the rookie premiere. It should have everybody on it. Let's see. There he is, bottom row. All the way on the right. There he is, number 3. Everybody on this card. Cool. A quick recap of some of the better ones here. Some golds. Got a Rams card, quick, and Stephen Ridley. Our relic was Marquise Colston. We had a pink Adrian Peterson $3.99 and a black Willis McGahee out of 57. Some minor rookies. Lamar Miller, Chandler Jones, Andrew Luck, Ahmed Sanu, and then you got Nick Foles, Kirk Cousins, Ryan Tannehill, and the reason I was opening this up, Russell Wilson. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.